Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make $180 in 24 hours, which equates to $3 per minute by translating subtitles of videos into different languages, by captioning other people's videos, and also by converting audio or video files to text. And during the course of this video, I'm going to show you two websites that you can use to make this sort of money, and you can also get started for free. You do not need any experience or skills required to do this, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this step by step in this video. And stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to show you free tools that you can download to really make this process that much faster for you. And the first platform that I want to show you is called rev.com, and you can see here already on the homepage you can get paid for transcriptions, captions, or foreign subtitles, which pays up to $3 to $7 per minute, which is really good money. And I mean, if you click on foreign subtitles, you can see the different languages. So basically your job is to translate subtitles of videos from English to these videos. And a free tool you can use for this is the Google Translator, where you can translate text from English to whatever language is required. So for example, let's take Spanish. You can go select Spanish in the different languages that Google offers, type in your English word, and it will translate it for you. So I mean, you can obviously have a look at what each language pays. You can see here's Japanese, $7 per minute. So what you do is go to Google Translator, just scroll down and look for Japanese, so you can see the word pet pops up in Japanese. So Google Translator does all the work for you already. And if you scroll further down this page, they have a pricing and turnaround calculator for you. So for example, as we said, Japanese, you can see if I click on Japanese, it will give $7 per minute. And if I drag the little dragger to a total of 60 minutes, that is $420 in just 24 hours. And then what you'll do is you'll click order now, and you will be given 24 hours of work where you've got to translate videos, English videos to Japanese, and you will then get paid for this. And if you want to sign up on this website, you can go to the freelancers tab, where it will pop up with freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. So the nice thing is you can work this job from your mobile phone, your laptop, wherever you have internet connection. So it's very flexible. And you can see you just need your first name, last name, email, and your position. So whether you're a transcriptionist or a captioner. And the best thing about rev.com, it allows you to create a flexible work schedule. You can choose from hundreds of different jobs to suit you, and you get paid on a weekly basis for your work. So let's say, for example, you want to become a transcriptionist. You will come to this page where it says transcriptionist. You can see you basically just listen to a audio or video, accurately type what is being said, and save this as a text document or label it, and you can then click on the learn more button and sign up from there. And as a captioner, you can watch a video also accurately typing down what is said, creatively convey sounds, and sync the typed audio with the video, and you will then get paid for this. And then as a subtitler, you will translate basically subtitles of videos to the various different languages as they offer, as I showed you. And then the second platform that I want to show you is called crowdsurfwork.com, and you can go to the website, have a look what they're about. They're very similar to rev.com, but as far as I know, they do not pay as well as rev.com. But same thing here, you can join Crowdsurf. It's also got to do with transcriptioning and captioning. And if you scroll down to the bottom of their homepage, you can see more about them. And basically they take pride in providing on-demand transcription and captioning services that make online media more accessible and enjoyable for deaf and hard of hearing as well as second language users. So if you want to try out Crowdsurf as well, you can click on the Get Started button on the top right. It will then take you to a workmarket.com website where you can register either as a company or an individual, and you can see the requirements on this website. They are a little bit more strict than rev.com. So you can see you need to be detail-oriented, speak and read and write in English. You need to just be accurate or fluent in English or with your spelling, punctuation, or grammar. And your requirements, you've got to have a PC, internet connection, basic typing skills, great listening skills, and familiarization with software tutorials is a plus, and basically pass the transcription assessment. And you can see here the rates that they basically pay you. Pay depends on a level of proficiency and amount of work completed. The work ranges from 5 seconds to 30 seconds for each audio clip, and payment ranges from 0.03 to 0.20 US dollars per media minute plus an additional bonus rate. So as you can see, it doesn't pay as well as rev.com. Why not work on both websites at the same time to really max out your potential earnings? And then the 2 free tools that I promised that I was going to show you to make this experience so much better and faster for you to ultimately increase your potential earnings by quite a lot more. And the first program or tool that I want to show you is called the NCH Express Scribe transcription software. This program is a professional audio player software for PC or Mac designed to help and transcribe audio recordings. So this software automatically transcribes audio recordings for you, so you don't have to do it manually, and will definitely save you a ton of time. And you can download this program on a PC or a Mac and start transcribing your audio files and essentially getting paid. And then the second free tool that I want to show you is a very popular and well-known tool, and that is Google Documents. And if you go to docs.google.com, it will pop up with a page like this with various different templates, so you can just choose the blank template. And once this blank document has been opened, you can come up to the top left tab bar up here, and you can click on Tools and go to Voice Typing. And the nice thing about this voice to text tool with Google Docs, it can transcribe audio files to text for you. Whether there's 2 ways to do it, whether you decide to do it manually by speaking into a mic what you hear, or if you actually have a video provided by rev.com, for example, and you can then play the video into your mic. But I'm not sure if the quality will exactly read perfectly, but it's something you can try. And then Google Docs will basically type down what your mic is hearing from that video. So let's, for example, hey guys, this is Jared from the channel Millionaire Mind. So you can see I just spoke into the mic and it was very accurate. So guys, that is how you can make up to $420 in 24 hours, which equates to $7 per minute by, as I say, translating subtitles of videos, transcriptioning or captioning, and it's really not that hard at all. I mean, I showed you the free tools that you can use to really make this so much easier for yourself, but if you've ever tried something like this before, comment down below if it has worked for you before, and perhaps leave a like if you enjoyed this video. It will really mean a lot. And share this with people that are perhaps wanting to learn how to make some money online, some really good money online, as this can pay well and can even pay you better with the free tools that I've showed you. And guys, if you're new, subscribe to the channel to receive some awesome content on how you can make money online, boost your social media network such as Facebook, your YouTube channel, getting more subscribers, more views, Instagram, you name it, and also to succeed in your online businesses, and for awesome future courses that are going to come up on this channel at a later stage. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.